Assalamu alaikum learners. How are you all? Today we are going to learn a new number. Number 6. 6 geese. Let's count the geese. 1 geese, 2 geese, 3 geese, 4 geese, 5 geese, 6 geese. So, today we'll learn number 6 and count 6 geese. See you all in the next video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.